Good morning, kids. Lesson 10 of English course. The name of the lesson is The Dog and Its Shadow. The name of the lesson is The Dog and Its Shadow. So now let's start. Doggy was a village dog. There was a dog whose name was Doggy and he lived in a village. He had a friend named Waggy. So Doggy had a friend named Waggy. Waggy lived in the next village. One day, Veggie said to Doggy, "Come over to my house for a meal." Meal means like breakfast, lunch or dinner. Doggy was very happy. Okay, one day what happened? Doggy was very happy. Why he was very happy? Because his friend Veggie invited him for a meal to his house. When Doggy arrived means came to at Veggie's house, he was happy to see that Pussy, it's a picture of Pussy, Squeaky and Talky were also invited. The bones for Doggy and Veggie. The bones for Doggy and Veggie. Okay. A bowl of milk for Pussy. A bowl of milk for Pussy. A cheese of chunk for Squeaky and chilies for Talky. When the meal was over, Doggy did not want to part with the last bone. "May I take this bone with me?" asked Greedy Dog. Greedy means wanting all without thinking of others. So what happened? When the meal was over, there was one bone left and Doggy didn't want to be part with that bone. Then he asked from Veggie that, "May I take this bone with me?" Then Veggie said, "Sure, you are most welcome." Then next, Doggy ran back to his village with the bone in his mouth. In his picture, that you can see that bache, Doggy ran back. He was going back to his village with the bone in its mouth. He was very happy and could not wait to get home. He was very happy. On his way, he had to walk over a bridge across a stream. Bridge means bache, a rod built across a river. Stream, a small river. Okay. On his way back, when he was going back to his home, he had to walk over a bridge. The bridge was broken in places, so he walked slowly. Broken means slipped or cracked. Over here, bache, you can see the bridge was broken in places, so he walked very slowly. The bridge began to creak. Creak means a squeaking sound, so he walked more slowly. While he was going back to his home, he had to walk over the bridge and the bridge was literally broken. Some of the places of bridge was broken. She was moving very slowly, but the bridge was making a creaking sound, means squeaking sound was making. Okay, next play. When he was when he was halfway across the stream, he looked down into the water below where the bridge was broken. Okay, when he crossed the half bridge, then what did he do? He looked down into the water, okay, below where the bridge was broken. Over here the part was broken of the bridge. Okay, now what is doing? He was looking into the water. He saw shadow in the water. Shadow means a dark shape of a person. Okay, he thought it was another dog with another bone. Okay, bacha, in this picture you can see that he was looking at his own shadow. Over here what he see, that a dog with in its mouth. Okay, now the greedy dog wanted the another bone also. Now the greedy dog, now doggy want that, I want that bone also, the another dog bone also I want. So what did he do? He opened his mouth to bark at the other dog. Bark means a cry of a dog. Okay, so now he opened his mouth, the doggy opened its mouth so that he could get the another piece of bone from that dog also, from his own shadow. As soon as he opened his mouth, all his own bone fell into the stream. Now when he started to bark, what happened? His bone fell into the water, into the stream, like in the river. Okay. For some time, Doggy stood on the bridge, tears coming down his face. Tear means water that flows from the eyes. You can see over here the dog is crying. Okay, why he was crying? Because his bone fell into the river. Then doggy went home very sadly. He had lost his bone because he was greedy. How did he lost his bone? Because he thought that there was a shadow of his own in the river. He thought that it might be another dog, so he want that another dog's bone also. So when he started to bark at on his own shadow, his bone fell into the river. So then he started crying. That means he was very greedy. Doggy learned his lesson. He would never be greedy again. From in this chapter you can see that it's moral of story that never be greedy. Okay, thank you बच्चे.